Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you that Google has a way to do fillable PDF files. So I know that usually people tell you to do Adobe Acrobat, but Google for free, Adobe Acrobat costs bread, or Reader Pro costs bread, but this is a free way to fill out fillable PDF files. So if you have a file or a PDF that you have to download from a website and it's not already pre-fillable, Google puts in the fillable marks, and it even does signature for you as well. So that's pretty dope. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the link in the description below. It uses Google Drive, which also uses Google Workspace. So if you're already familiar with the Google ecosystem, you're able to use that. But what you're going to need is you're going to need the file, and then it's going to show you how to do it by computer. It's going to show you how to do it from Android, and it's going to show you how to do it from iPhone. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to have the file. Okay, you're going to go to Google Drive, and then you're going to upload the PDF into Google Drive, right? And then it's going to show you all of the fields that have the fillable lines, and then you're going to be able to customize it. You're going to be able to save it. You're going to be able to use it, print it, do whatever you need to, send it back to the database of whatever website you were on, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so no longer do you need to pay. Let everyone know that you can do a fillable PDF in Google Drive. Let's get it. Let's go. I might be late with this information. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.